Hi guys, today we will dive into the method of how to give access to anyone to manage your Hostinger account. So let's get started. The first thing is log in your account in which you want to give access. Once you will be there, click on the account icon, which is on the right top. And here, tap on the option account information. Once you will get access to your account information, take a look on the left side of your computer screen. Here you can see the option of account sharing. Click on it. Here you can see two options: request access or grant access. Like we want to grant access. So that's why click on the option grant and tap on the option to grant access. Here we need to enter the email address of the person to which we want to give access. Just for example, I will write a random email. After writing here, you can choose the service which you want to give to that person, just like I will select all. If you take a look on the top, you can see the option of access level. Manage the level as you want. After it, I will tap on the option to grant access. Now an email invitation will be sent to that account to which I want to give access. Now that person need to accept that invitation via email. And once he will accept the invitation, he will be in your Hostinger. But make sure he has an Hostinger account. If he has, then he can get access to your Hostinger, and that's it.